had a blue flag. But the crazy part about it, you would never know what type of nigga you would never know what type of nigga that you would see that's well up and down and that's straight.
So after that, what
No, I'm
happened?
not lying. I'm dead ass for real. Like I'm not lying. I'm so dead ass for real. And this man literally was in my room. Like, you know what I'm saying? In my room. Like
In
I
my room.
gave I gave him I like we talked for a minute, we chilled while we watched TV or whatever because you know what I'm saying, we ain't do nothing yet. But it was like we was talking and shit like that and then after that it just went from there. So after that, I had I gave him a head, and once I gave him head, that's when he ended up. He got down. He was loving this shit. So after that, that's when I rolled on top of him, and once I rolled on top of him, I rolled the dick till I can't ride that bitch no more. And then that's when
I
he
was,
hit me for the back, and I did hit me for the back because he didn't fuck me with nothing. He didn't fuck me raw. He fucked me with a condom on. I seen the condom myself. And I would not cap by that. Like I seen the color myself. He fucked me with a condom on.
mm,
I can't tell y'all his name because I don't me personally I don't tell people
you don't know it.
No. No, I do know his name. I just don't tell people's name because they is like gang related and I don't want they people to find out and then they end up, I don't want that to happen.
Girl, so this was at the other hotel.
Hmm.
Oh, girl.
I'm talking about all the train was out there, girl.
Yeah, at the other one. They be there.
Girl, it was all the trains. I said, oh my God. No, for
Girl,
real.
that shit is funny.
I'm not going to say his name. I'm not going to do that because, yeah, I'm not going to say his name.
Okay.
Just know that he was he was a train.
Girl.
And he was banging the fuck out of me. He had a big ass dick too. That nigga had he had a huge
Girl,
dick.
so in the midst of you getting banged out, girl, you let me hush.
What?
I'm gonna talk to you about it. But girl, is that the only one at the other hotel?
Huh?
Is that the only one at the other hotel, or you have more?
Oh, that was the other one.
That was the only one.
Fuck with the condom on.
What you mean? It's more.
No.
It was more niggas there. I know it was niggas there, but
That wasn't in my room. He was the other one at that time when nobody even outside. When nobody outside, everybody was inside. He was the only one that was outside, and he was sitting on the steps. That I knew. That I knew that he was the one who knocked on my door. Cause he can't say
okay.
nobody else knocked on my door. Cause I already know it was him. Like my mind told me that he knocked on my door.
Mm,
No, I know him. Like I know him. But other than that, I just don't want to say his name because people know him. So I'm not gonna say his name. I'm just say he'll try he'll DL.
so
What's up?
this damn story now. The people want to know. Did
What?
you? cheat on your man.
Did I cheat on him?
Yes.
I didn't cheat on him, but I did need some dick. So
What'd you say? What'd you say?
I did cheat on him. No, no, I ain't gonna say I did cheat on him. I ain't gonna say I did cheat on him, but at the same time, it was just like I just did a little one time thing. But I'm gonna get out because they gonna go back and tell him, "Oh, girl, you know Shamar said this, and you know Shamar said that."
Girl, sister, it's
Yeah, I'm gonna get
on,
out.
sister.
They,
It's
they
too
love
late.
being fucking messy,
Sister, it's
and I
too
ain't got
late.
time for him coming in my goddamn deal talking shit.
Sister,
Uh,
sister, it's too late. Sister,
yeah, I did get paid. I did pay.
sister.
He paid me.
He paid you?
Yeah, and I spent that money on some snacks and shit. No, for real,
How much he
He-
gave you?
huh?
How much he gave you?
Girl, I ain't gonna tell the girl because then they gonna think, girl, no, girl,
Sister,
girl,
not you
no.
capping, girl. You funny as fuck, bro. Oh my god. You funny as you
Even though I'm not with him, but still, I feel like I fucked up anyway because I ain't supposed to do that anyway. My ass, you know me, I'm a hot ass.
Yeah, girl, you hot ass. Oh my god.
Y'all say 20? Okay, yeah, y'all can say 20. Okay. $5? Okay.
Girl, this shit is funny. Oh my god. She said, well, I mean, I did.
It was in my room. I don't tell lies. Y'all just don't see me doing anything. Like, y'all would never see me doing anything. I don't have to lie about nothing. Just because I talk about it don't mean I have to prove it to y'all. Some of these niggas don't be want to be on camera. Some of these niggas don't want to be shown. Some of these niggas don't want to be none of that. Like, no. That's how shit get started. That's how people, you know what I'm saying, get beat up and all that because somebody fucking with they nigga.
Girl. Yeah, she funny as fuck. Said she spent it on snacks.
Oh, girl, I'm telling you, he's down. Girl, I'm starting to get hot now, bitch.
That shit funny as fuck. No shade. Sister, start the live.